Hello class, I'm your sub for today, Mr. Fredrickson. Today, we will be learning about cells.
But teach, I don't know anything about cells. I only know about computer stuff.
Well, what if I told you that you can learn about cells and know about computers at the same time?
At the same time?
Well, you know about CPUs.
Of course I do.
Well, the nucleus is the structure that contains the cell's genetic material, DNA, and controls the cell's activities. Kinda like a CPU.
Inconceivable!
Well, all plant cells need a cell wall. Kind of like how all PCs need a PC case.
That's pretty crack-a-lackin' crazy.
The rough ER transport materials. What in a computer could be like that? Say it with me, the motherboard! I'll tell you just why. The motherboard distributes electricity, kind of like how the rough ER transports materials. Amazing!
Wow!
So you know a virus protector, right?
For sure!
A virus protector is kind of like a cell membrane. It keeps out all those stinkies.
By golly!
Well, kids, you know the storage unit on computers?
Maybe.
Well, the large central vacuole, or the LCV as the cool kids are calling it these days, acts just like a storage unit for cells.
How the heck does that work?
Well, we always can't forget about the most important part of the PC. Say it with me, the RGB! Well, what is RGB kind of like? That's right, chloroplasts. The only real use for chloroplasts is to make a plant green, and RGB can do that too, so... Well, you know how you have to delete things on your computer, and that always goes to the recycle bin.
Yeah, deleting stuff is my forte.
What if I told you there's something exactly like that in a cell?
That's so cool!
It's called the Smooth ER. Smooth ER is all about enzymes and the detoxification of drugs.
What the fudge?
You know how screws keep the PC together and maintain its shape? Well, it's almost exactly like the cytoskeleton.
OMG!
The cytoskeleton is all about maintaining the cell's shape. Well, now we have to give this entire PC power. Well, how do we do that? Easy, by plugging it in with a cable. Well, that kind of sounds like a power source to me. Just like how the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
My golly, bro. That's pretty crack-a-lackin' crazy.